My name is Johannes Reinhart. I'm a Perth photographer and I have some very exciting news to share. I made a beautiful photo book called BOKURA HA MOU SHINDEIRU. The book is about the fragility of life and my own coming to terms with that I might have already lived half my life. So I have an exhibition at Team Digital from March the 27th to the 30th of April, which is also the same time you can order the book. If you order the book, what happens is that I'm waiting till the 30th of April, where I will finalize orders, and then the book will get printed and will get delivered around July in 2021. I really like to thank my exhibition sponsors, Team Digital, Ilford and Epson. Yeah, thank you guys. I'm also gonna have an artist talk and a photo book workshop. You can check those out too. Yeah, I hope you're all keeping well and I see you when I see you.